Grab that frozen pizza. I'm ready to celebrate Mardi Gras.
Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah! I did what I needed to do to get my beads. Did you? Well, when I think of Mardi Gras, I think of New Orleans. And when I think of New Orleans, I think of a Muffuletta sandwich. And you don't know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn that sandwich into a pizza. It's a Muffuletta Pizza pizzazz. So I'm gonna start by par baking that pizza. The first thing I'll need to do after that is make the special olive spread that's gonna go on my pizza. I'm adding a jar of green olives. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of those roasted red peppers. I've got a 12-ounce jar of marinated artichoke hearts. I'm gonna pour those in, including that marinade. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Let's turn that into a spread. Blend it. I have 3 slices of smoked ham, 3 slices of smoked provolone, and a little bit of pepperoni. I'm gonna take that and cut it into slices. Okay, it's par baked. Time to spread on the spread. And I'm adding on that sliced meat and cheese. And I'm gonna top it off with some Monterey Jack shredded cheese. And I'll continue cooking it according to pizza directions. This is gonna be mighty tasty. Muffuletta Pizza! Ha-ha! Ooh, that's fun. It's a wonderful spread. Really love the artichoke hearts in there. Oh, that combination of meats and cheeses, absolutely perfect. Very smoky. Loving it. I must say I have been to Mardi Gras one time, and it was a very eye-opening experience. Have you been to Mardi Gras or New Orleans? I'd love to know. What do you call a hamburger covered in beads? A French quarter pounder.